Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is bestchoicestudios. This is where you get free knowledge in any area, whether in graphics design, video editing, web design, social media management, and any other tech skills. So if you are just joining us for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you can get notified on our next videos. So without further ado, let's go into today's tutorial. Okay, so today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you a very fast method in which you can use to convert any video document into an MP3. Okay, so maybe you download a video on any platform and you cannot find the audio and you want to convert it to audio. I'm going to be showing you a very fast method to do that. So the application we are going to be using for our conversion for this tutorial is adobeaudition. Look at it, adobeaudition, Adobe Audition. Okay, so what you want to do is to just it's very simple, go to the video you want to convert. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be converting this video. For some of you that have been on this channel, you must have seen this video. This is one of our previous video, how to remove background image from an image in Photoshop. Okay, so if you want to learn that, just scroll down and check our videos, you will see the video. So let's say this is the video we want to convert. So you just you either drag the video and drag it to your audition, but if you know your hand will not be steady, so just come to the video and right click and then open with Adobe Audition. That's what I told you we're going to be using. So you see that it has opened the video in audio, it has converted it to audio immediately, but there's still something you still need to do because it's still in MP4, so that if you export it like this, it will only be playing as MP4, it will not be playing as MP3. So, and that's not what you want. So what do you do next? You come to the file, look at all these tabs up, and you come to file and then you scroll down to save as. When you come to save as, it's going to bring this checkbox. You can see the first one is file name. You want to change the file name, but for this tutorial I don't want to change this file name. The reason is because I want the audio to be created side by side with the video so that we can easily locate it after our work. So of course the location, we are going to leave the location. This is where we want to save it. Then the format, this is where the work is. I'd like you to pay attention. So you come to the format, you click on this drop down, and then you search for MP3. MP3 is always the second to the last option. Can you see? Not MP2 audio, but MP3 audio. Once you click that, then you are done. You come to OK, and then you click yes. Then in less than seconds, you are good to go. You can see now that it has converted it to MP3. So what do? You can quickly come back to your location. You can see the video and look at the audio that we just converted side by side. Very easy and straightforward. That's all. And just in case you want to test it, you can play it. It can play on any audio device. Okay, so this is just a simple method on how you can convert any video to audio. Let me know if you have any question in this comment section, and if you have any request, maybe any issue bothering you in any area that you would like me to make a tutorial video on, also feel free to drop it at the comment section. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.